Are leaders born or made? Do you believe that anyone can be a leader? What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about leadership. And I'm gonna share my personal story on how I'm developing leadership skills and which classes I took to develop these skills. And if you're interested in becoming a better leader, please continue watching this video and let's get started. I came from the culture when it's common to be quiet and not show up. And since the very childhood you can hear, who do you think you are? Do you think you are the smartest person in the room? Be normal. Be like everyone else. You are not special. That's why we are not used to taking initiatives and be brave and bold in leading our lives. We simply lack of those skills and attitudes necessary to succeed in today's world. But the good news is that you can unlearn those habits and attitudes that have been holding you back from achieving your true potential. It's not a rocket science, and with the time and practice you can develop new skills and attitudes. And let me show you how.
I want to be a leader.
My conscious journey in developing leadership skills started in October 2019 when I took a course in interpersonal communication skills at Stanford. And before that, all my leadership skills and attitudes were intuitive. I just learned from life lessons, from my mistakes, from another person's experience, but I never took any class about leadership. Because I simply believe that leaders are born. And one day I remember I had a class about gender equality. I had this aha moment. At that time, our lecturer and now my friend Nadia Belkind, she shared with us very fascinating research that completely blew up my mind. A Hewlett-Packard internal report found that men apply for a job promotion when they meet only 60% of the qualifications, but women apply only if they met 100% of them. It was a turning point. Something clicked in my head. I realized I'm that woman. And later I will read more about this concept in Sheryl Sandberg's book, which called Lean In. And I highly recommend this book to everyone who wants to learn more how to grab opportunities without hesitating. And you can even start your Lean In circle, or you can join to exist in one. Since that class, my mindset started to change, and little by little I learned how to reach out for more opportunities. And it led me to the position of Vice President at CCIS at Stanford, its Community Committee for International Students at Stanford, and also to the position of Project Lead at Global Leadership Organization at Berkeley chapter. And just a half a year passed. How I did it? Number 1. Do your research and invest time in your knowledge base. After this class, I started to look for leadership courses, and I signed up for Fundamentals of High Performance Leadership program at Stanford, and it was a fantastic experience. The best part of this course is an incredible network with like-minded people, leaders and entrepreneurs, and the opportunity to study best cases and ask questions to the seasoned leaders from Google, Airbnb, Facebook and other corporations at Silicon Valley. Thanks to quarantine, most of the courses are available online. Also, I participated in Global Leadership Organization Summit and we learned so much in 2 full days. It was the best investment in education. If you're located in the Bay Area, it's a must to attend this summit next time when it will be available. Besides the practical knowledge and incredible community, the best students will receive an opportunity to lead their own project. I will share more details about my project in the next video and the lessons I've learned from it. And if you don't want to miss this video, please subscribe, and you can read more information about Global Leadership Organization in the description below. Number 2. Find your supportive community. And here I can share my story. Right now I'm participating in Stanford to Build program. It's an 8-week sprint from Stanford Graduate School of Business, and we are trying to build our own startup. But the best part of this program is the people. All of them are leaders, and it's a great environment to grow as a leader. And it's a well-known fact that we are thriving in a community of people who support us, who also passionate, who motivates us to move forward, who challenge you to be better version of yourself. Earlier I mentioned lean-in circles, where you can find your tribe. Also, you can check Facebook groups and different non-profit organizations. Check out what do you have in your location. I have a question for you. What stands out great leaders? You may probably think that great leaders are those who know all the answers in the world on any question. But the truth is that skills and attitudes, that's what stand out leaders from being an exceptional leaders. Seriously, how many years we are formally studying skills and attitudes? None. But we're expecting this from the great leaders.
And learn traditional survival skills.
And here is my recommendation. After getting all the needed knowledge, go for practicing it. And there are 2 ways how you can practice those skills. Start to volunteer and start your passion project. That's why I created and executed my own course, Mastering Leadership at Bechtel International Center at Stanford. It was a great experience, and I'm looking forward to giving this class again this fall. And this is one of my passion projects, and another one is this YouTube channel.
Don't forget to rate us, comment, and subscribe.
By running your passion project, you are developing such leadership skills such as commitment, authenticity, which is very important for every leader, vision, strategic planning, and a lot of other skills. There are so many benefits from starting your own passion project. The main difference between passion project and hobby is for relaxation. And a passion project is something that's driving you crazy, something you can't live without, something you can do for hours. You can sacrifice food, sleep, vacations. Finding your passion, it's a process. It takes time. So take your time and find your passion.
You're supposed to find your passion in life.
If you already have your passion project, please tell me about it in the comment section. I will be super happy to learn about your experience.
This is my passion project.
If you don't want to miss my next video about my project at Global Leadership Organization at Berkeley and learn a little bit more about the habits of high-performing leaders, please subscribe and ring the bell. And if you like this video, please give me thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next videos. Bye!